Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the Q Factor 2015. Alhamdulillah, in the first segment, three contestants read so well, performed very well, answered the judges' questions awesomely well. Muhammad Nabil Khan, A'zam Iqbal and Ilyas Masood. Let's go over to our fourth contestant in this very segment, Ammara Mughal, 12 years of age, from London.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam, gorgeous. How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah.
You well?
Yes.
Fantastic. Let's find out more about Ammara.
Ar-Rahman.
This is our daughter Ammara. She's in the final of the Quran competition. She really started putting in the hours after school. She's starting working in madrasa.
Ammara she's a very jolly person, very fun. She loves baking, she loves reading. Make everybody here in the house smile.
She's put hours and hours into this competition. Inshallah she does well, and I'll do dua for her. I hope you guys do too.
I was surprised to go in the finals. Alhamdulillah, I'm thanking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
My mother would call the television channel, and in fact all the children were participating. Ilyas, our youngest, Usman, and Ammara, albeit Khalil, who was studying for his exams. Mashallah, Ammara is progressing.
Well, my family helps me in little parts here and there, and for example, at dinner time, my brothers, they ask me questions on tajweed, and then they say if it's wrong or right, because they know more tajweed than me.
A lot of the effort is put in by my grandma. She's the driving power. She helps my sister. She, for the most part, is a lot of her effort.
May Allah reward her grandmother and Ammara as well for making all the efforts.
Make dua for us, please, inshallah, and let her progress and make her the proudest parents in the world, inshallah.
Lovely, Ammara. Well, your grandma, she's praying for you a lot, yeah?
Yeah.
Inshallah. They're the best. Okay, Ammara, Surah Saba, when you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. لقد كان لسبإ في مسكنهم آية جنتان عن يمين وشمال كلوا من رزق ربكم واشكروا له بلدة طيبة ورب غفور فأعرضوا فأرسلنا عليهم سيل العرم وبدلناهم بجنتيهم جنتين ذواتي أكل خمط وأثل وشيء من سدر قليل ذلك جزيناهم بما كفروا وهل نجازي إلا الكفور وجعلنا بينهم وبين القرى التي باركنا فيها قرى ظاهرة وقدرنا فيها السير سيروا فيها ليالي وأياما آمنين فقالوا ربنا باعد بين أسفارنا وظلموا أنفسهم فجعلناهم أحاديث ومزقناهم كل ممزق إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
Jazakumullah, Ammara. Let's go over to the judges' questions. Sheikh Huzaifa.
Ammara, Jazakallah. First question. Ghafoor. That ra. Is it mouthful, empty mouth, and why?
It is a full mouth letter. It is full mouth because
if ra has a fatha, dhamma or sukun, then it will be read with a full mouth, but if it has a kasra, then it will be read with an empty mouth.
But this particular ra, what is it?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Quran Zahira. What rule applies there? Quran Zahira.
Is it an ikhfa? Because if nun sakin or tanween, there comes the 15 letters, then it will be an ikhfa.
Yeah. Okay. Jazakallah.
Sheikh Maqsood.
Okay, Amara, if you can just tell me la'ayat, la'a. What tajweed is a? You made it a bit long, isn't it? It's prolonged. What tajweed is there?
Alif saghira.
Okay, tell me what mad it is. Just tell me the name of the mad. La'a. لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
Is it mad asli tabi'?
Okay. فيها السير. This ra. What's the rule of this ra?
It is an empty mouth ra.
Okay. It's empty mouth.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Jazakallah khairan.
Thank you so much. Okay, Sheikh Huzaifa, if you may pick.
Surah Al-Ankabut.
Okay.
Ayah number 41.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. مثل الذين اتخذوا من دون الله أولياء كمثل العنكبوت اتخذت بيتا وإن أوهن البيوت لبيت العنكبوت لو كانوا يعلمون إن الله يعلم ما يدعون من دونه من شيء وهو العزيز الحكيم وتلك الأمثال نضرب.
Okay. Jazakumullah. Amara, I'm going to stop you there. Take your seat, please. Let's move over to our next contestant, 13 years of age from London, Hibatullah Shafaq.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam, Hibatullah. All well?
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Brilliant. Let's find out more about you then, yeah?
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Faq and I'm 4 years old. And today I hope he will win.
In this competition, my mum helped me the most. She told me everything, and I started.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Faq and I'm 4 years old. And today I hope he will win.
In this competition, my mum helped me the most. She told me everything, and I started. I always practiced in the morning before I went to school, and when I came back from school, I practiced, and I practiced a lot. And I didn't think I'd get this far, but alhamdulillah, with Allah's help, I got this far in the competition.
I'm very happy my daughter went through the final. Inshallah, bismillah, we are praying. Hopefully she will get, inshallah, through the, she will win.
MashaAllah, her mum, she's doing well. She teaches her a lot. And sometimes we get help from other teachers when they get time. I mean, she has a really good ambition, hopefully, inshallah, to also teach in the future.
My mum helped me a lot in this competition, and I practiced every day when after I knew what I had to do.
Most of the time, actually, she have a lot of responsibilities. She's doing very well, alhamdulillah, I'm very happy.
I am Hiba's younger sister. I'm really happy that she went to the final, and with Allah's help, inshallah, she will go to the final.
She has gone to many competitions, so we always look on the internet and on the TV. We always watch IQRA channels and other Islamic channels. and wherever she can compete, inshallah, she tries her best.
Just one message to all the contestants: if you win, alhamdulillah, and if you don't win, still alhamdulillah, because we prepared a lot and we improved on this journey of the competition.
Lovely, that was. Surah Ashura, when you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما أنت إلا بشر مثلنا وإن نظنك لمن الكاذبين فأسقط علينا كسفا من السماء إن كنت من الصادقين قال ربي أعلم بما تعملون فكذبوه فأخذهم عذاب يوم الظلة إنه كان عذاب يوم عظيم إن في ذلك لآية وما كان أكثرهم مؤمنين وإن ربك لهو العزيز الرحيم وإنه لتنزيل رب العالمين نزل به الروح الأمين.
Okay, let's go over to the question. Ammara, Hibatullah, sorry, Jazakumullah. Sheikh Maqsood.
Hibatullah, if you can just tell me, وَإِنَّ ظُنُّكَ.
Your mic, please, Sheikh.
وَإِنَّ ظُنُّكَ. وَإِنَّ. What tajweed is there?
Noon mushadda, so you have to do 2 haraka long.
Okay. لآية. لآ.
مد بدل.
That's right. How long should we make this?
2 haraka.
2 harakat. Very good. Jazakallah khair.
Okay, Sheikh Huzaifa.
Okay. First question. قال ربي أعلم. ربي أعلم. Which mud?
مد منفصل.
Can you explain the rule?
If after the mad letters hamza comes in the next word, then you have to do mad munfasil. It's 2 to 4 haraka, but sheikhs have different opinions.
Okay. Second question. أكثرهم مؤمنين. Which rule applies in both?
إدغام شفوي. After mim sakin there's a mim mushadda, so you have to do ghunna.
Okay. Jazakallah.
Okay, Sheikh Maqsood, which passage will she be reading?
Okay, Hibatullah, if you can just open Surah At-Tur, please. At-Tur. We opened? Ayah number.
Wait.
Okay. It's Juz 27. It's just before An-Najm. Juz 27.
Time's running out.
Okay. Can you please read to me?
As soon as, if she's not able to read, then I will have to stop her.
Okay, give me
reading.
See, I found it.
Okay, can you start from the ayah number 29, please?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فذكر فما أنت بنعمة ربك بكاهن ولا مجنون أم يقولون شاعر نتربص به ريب المنون قل تربصوا فإني معكم من المتربصين أم تأمرهم أحلامهم بهذا أم هم قوم طاغون أم يقولون تقوله بل لا يؤمنون.
Thank you very much indeed. Please take your seat. Now our next contestant, Muhammad Nahin, 13 years of age, from London.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wassalam, Muhammad, how are you?
Alhamdulillah.
All good, brilliant, lovely. Let's find a bit more about you and your family.
إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار.
তারপরে সুন্দর আছে আলহামদুলিল্লাহ এর লাগি আমরা ওই সিজনে ট্রাই করব.
Throughout my journey in the Q Factor, it's been very tough, but I've made it through, and the contestants were very hard. Some were good and some were alright, but alhamdulillah I've made it, so I'm really happy about that.
তার যে উৎসাহ আছে এতে আমরাও আর একটু উৎসাহ লাগে আর কি জানে আর একটু দিয়া করে তো সকল সময় সাপোর্ট দিলাম তার উস্তাদ হলেও দিয়া করে রাখে তারা সাপোর্ট দিরা আর উৎসাহ দিরা.
Been receiving help from my teachers in my school, my parents, and also family members as well.
পার্সোনাল লাইফে চাই ভবিষ্যতে একটা তো হাফিজ হইতো বড় একজন আলিম হইতো.
I hope to be a good alim, hafiz, and I want to become a pilot as well.
সবার কাছে আপিল করমু আমার নাহিনের লাগে সবে দোয়া করতা যেন কিউ ফ্যাক্টর উইন করে আর ভবিষ্যতে যেন হে একজন হাফিজ এবং একজন বড় একজন আলিম হইতে পারে.
My friends and family, parents, they're really happy. Also my siblings, they're really happy that I've gone through, and they're wishing me the best of luck.
Lovely, Muhammad Nahin. Well, I hope you do become an alim. Amin, inshallah. And yeah, all the other contestants did well, but I'm the best. Jazakumullah. Thank you so much for that. Surah Ra'd, when you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. للذين استجابوا لربهم الحسنى والذين لم يستجيبوا له لو أن لهم ما في الأرض جميعا ومثله معه لافتدوا به أولئك لهم سوء الحساب ومأواهم جهنم وبئس المهاد. أفمن يعلم أنما أنزل إليك من ربك الحق كمن هو أعمى إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب الذين يوفون بعهد الله ولا ينقضون الميثاق والذين يصلون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويخشون ربهم ويخافون سوء الحساب.
Jazakumullah, Muhammad Nahin. Very, very well. Over to Sheikh Huzaifa for the questions, please.
Yeah, first question. لِرَبِّهِمُ الْحُسْنَى. Which waqf is there? What kind of stopping sign?
There's a ta there, so it's necessary to stop there.
Okay. Nothing else there, yeah?
No.
Okay, second question. وَبِئْسَ الْمِهَادِ. Which waqf is there?
Is it?
Not a stopping sign. What kind of waqf there?
Mad Arid.
Okay.
Because after huruf mad there's a temporary sukun, so you have to stop, and it's 3 to 4 haraka.
Okay, Jazakallah.
Sheikh Maqsood.
Okay. أن يوصل ويخشون. If I stop on ويخشون, what mad it is?
Is it Madalin?
Very good. Okay. سوء الحساب. سوء.
Mad Muttasil. Because the Hamza is in the next word, so the Hamza is in the next word.
سوء المد متصل. And what did you say?
Oh, the Hamza is in the Hamza is in the second word.
Okay.
Okay, I think.
No, the Hamza is in the first word. It's in the same.
The final.
It's in the same.
Is the
word.
final answer?
Yeah.
First word. Okay, very good. Just clarify one thing. You know, you said you stop on للذين استجابوا لربهم الحسنى. Which mushaf do you follow? Do you follow like the Madani mushaf or the subcontinent one? Do you follow different mushaf or?
The Madani one.
Madani one. Okay. Jazakumullah khair.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Let's go over to Sheikh Maqsood for the surah then, please.
Okay, if you can open Surah An-Naml, please. Ayah number 60, please. The Surah An-Naml starting is in Juz 20.
60.
Ayah number 60.
Yeah.
Okay, Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أمن خلق السماوات والأرض وأنزل لكم من السماء ماء فأنبتنا به حدائق ذات بهجة ما كان لكم أن تنبتوا شجرها إله مع الله أإله مع الله بل هم قوم يعدلون أمن جعل الأرض قرارا وجعل خلالها.
Jazakumullah, thank you so much. Muhammad Nahin, please take your seat. Our next contestant, 9 years of age, from London, Tahmid Rahman. Assalamu alaikum, Tahmid. How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah.
All well?
Yes.
Good, mashallah. Now let's find more about you. Let's go over to your home. Yeah?
Alhamdulillah wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa. In class, he's very active. You can tell he's in the room. Of his loud voice, of the way he talks to people, you can tell he's in the room. And the days that he doesn't come to class due to being ill, you can tell there's a big gap in class. There's no one. It feels empty without him, mashallah.
Hamid is the eldest son. Alhamdulillah, he passed the telephone round. He went to a quarter-final. Alhamdulillah, he passed the quarter-final. Passed the semi-final. He's in the final. Alhamdulillah, I'm so happy. Everyone was happy.
Mashallah is a very active student. Always coming early, mashallah. Always causing trouble as always.
He wants to play games. But when it comes to reading, alhamdulillah, he wants to read. For this age, what he recited, what he memorized, alhamdulillah, very good.
The IQRA competition is good, and whoever watches it, can you make dua for me? And I want to be a Hafiz Quran.
and also make dua that he becomes a great alim in the future, a big qari in the world, such a qari that people get inspired after hearing his recitation and come to the deen of the Quran, inshallah.
Please make dua for my son Tafir Rahman to win this competition, and in future please make dua for him to be a Quran Hafiz.
Lovely, Tahmid. Brilliant. It's always positive, isn't it? It's never ever negative about anyone. It's all good, mashallah. Nice. Tahmid, your surah Sa'ad.
صاد.
Yeah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن هذا لرزقنا ما له من نفاد. هذا وإن للطاغين لشر مآب. جهنم يصلونها فبئس المهاد. هذا فليذوقوه حميم وغساق وآخر من شكله أزواج. هذا فوج مقتحم معكم لا مرحبا بهم إنهم صالوا النار. قالوا بل أنتم لا مرحبا بكم أنتم قدمتموه لنا فبئس القرار. قالوا ربنا من قدم لنا هذا فزده عذابا ضعفا في النار.
Jazakumullah, Tahmid. Over to the judges for the questions. Sheikh Maqsood first, please.
Okay, Tahmid, if you can just please tell me وآخر. You see the وآ, what mad is this?
مد الأصلي.
Okay. أزواج.
قلقلة.
Okay, I want أزوا, wa beat, not the jim beat.
مد الأصلي.
Again مد أصلي.
No. مد العارض.
مد العارض. Okay, so how long should we make this mad?
2 to 5 حركات long.
2 to 5 حركات. Okay, جزاك الله خير.
Okay, Sheikh Huzaifa.
Yeah, first question. إنهم صالوا النار. The rule of letter Ra in there.
What was it again?
صالوا النار. You know the Ra in there. Is it mouthful, empty mouth, and why?
It's full mouth because when you stop, the waw will have a sukoon and the letter before will have has a fatha. So it'll be full mouth.
Okay, Jazakallah. Second question. هذا فوج مقتحم. فوج مقتحم. What rule applies in those two words?
إدغام ناقص.
Okay, why? Explain the rule.
If after nun sakin or tanween, if any of the 4 letters of idgham come, then you'll make gunna.
Okay, Jazakallah.
Okay, Sheikh Huzaifa, you pick the passage, please.
You can open up Surah Ma'idah.
Sheikh Huzaifa, if you can use the mic and surah, name and verse.
Yeah, Surah Al-Ma'idah. Ready? Ayah number 7. You can start reading from there.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا قوامين لله شهداء بالقسط ولا يجرمنكم يجرمنكم شنآن قوم على ألا تعدلوا اعدلوا هو أقرب للتقوى واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون وعد الله الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم مغفرة وأجر عظيم والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب الجحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم.
Jazakumullah Tahmid, I've got to stop you there. Take your seat, please. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah. 7 contestants, all read, all recited very well to the best of their ability and answered the judges' questions again to the best of their knowledge. After the break, inshallah, one and the final contestant, Abyan Islam, all to find out how he does. Then, of course, revealing the winner for the Q Factor 2015. So stay put. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.